So I just bought some replacement air filters for my Holmes 360 air purifier. I'm gonna show you how to get them in here. It's super easy, but all you gotta do is flip it over. You can see at the bottom, you just gotta twist it to unlock it. So you just gotta go this way or unlock the bottom. Been using this one for about 6 months. Just a little bit nasty. Use a brand new one, all white. This is from Cubely. You get 2 of them. They come individually packed. So this one you can just keep in a vacuum sealed bag. Whenever you gotta pull it out, 6 months from now, a year from now, it'll be fresh, brand new. But got the new one. All we gotta do is slide it in there. Get this line back up. Twist. We got a brand new, fresh filter ready to roll. So these are awesome. Good bang for your buck. And like I said, they're vacuum sealed. So whenever you get ready to use it again, or put a new one in there, it's gonna be good to go, all fresh, brand new. So awesome buy.